Since its launch in 2019, the Renault Triber has won itself a fan following, offering MPV versatility for small car money. There's a new inclusion to the list of reasons to be interested in the clever sub-4 meter 7-seater, and that's safety. Vehicle safety watchdog Global NCAP has just revealed the Triber's crash test results, and the news is good. The Triber was rated a commendable 4 stars in adult occupant protection and 3 stars for child occupant protection. To take a deeper look at the results, as per Global NCAP's protocol, a low-spec version of the Triber was used for the test. The idea is to establish a baseline level of crash safety for the product. The Triber put to the test came with standard fit safety kit including dual airbags, anti-lock brakes and seatbelt reminders. Notably, the top-spec Triber RXZ adds in front-side airbags. In the front offset crash test conducted at 64 kph, the Triber was found to offer marginal protection for the driver's chest, while knee protection was also rated marginal with the risk of impact against structures behind the dashboard. Head and neck protection was rated good for both front occupants, with the front passenger chest, knee and leg protection found good to adequate. While the Triber's footwell was rated as stable, the body shell was rated unstable and not capable of withstanding further load. In terms of child safety, Global NCAP noted the absence of ISOFIX child seat mounts. The child seat for the 3-year-old was installed forward-facing with adult seat belts and was not able to prevent excessive forward movement during impact, effectively exposing the child to injury. The 18-month-old child restraint was installed with adult seat belt rearward-facing, offering full protection to the child occupant. The Triber's 4-star rating is not only a Renault model's best performance yet in a Global NCAP crash test, but also bodes well for the Renault Kiger and the Nissan Magnite compact SUVs that are built on the same CMF-A Plus platform as the Triber. Interestingly, the Nissan Magnite has already been rated 4 stars by ASEAN NCAP, though the India spec model is yet to be tested. What are your thoughts on the Triber's crash test performance, and which cars would you like to see rated by Global NCAP? Let us know in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the Autocar India channel for the latest automotive content.